a wounded civilian family. I salute you all. I just want to talk about what is going on in our country. The confusion, the killings, the troubles, the terrorism that is going on in our country. Some of us have been telling the people who think Nigeria will still work for them that it is better for everybody to go their own separate way. We were forced together by the evil British. But people keep saying, no, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. When are you people going to learn and know that, yes, Nigeria, it will be difficult for Nigeria to work? Because the mindset of the youth in the north, the youth in the north, their mindset is different from the ones in the south. Even the way the Muslims reason is different from the way the Christians reason in Nigeria. Not to talk about those that are not Christian or Muslims. We are forced together by force. We are forced together by the British for their own selfish interest, for their own political gain. They force India together, but they separate themselves, India and Pakistan. Even in Sudan, must we live and die together by force like this? Nigeria is not working. I'm not here to preach long sermons. I just want to talk about two things. First, what is going on in Ekiti State? On Saturday is the governorship election. Then tell me what Buhari is invading the government house for. Tell me what they said. Some idiots, some APC worshippers or some Buhari worshippers defending Buhari action with what happened. They said same thing happened before in 2014. This government pre-change. Buhari pre-change to do things in a different way, to do things right, not to do things the way PDP do. If you are doing what the PDP did in the past, I mean, this is not change. This is not change like that. APC promised change. You don't need to do things the way PDP do. You don't need to be doing things. APC said they are going to change things around. Do things in a normal way. Equal right and justice. Rule of law. If Saturday is the governorship election in Ekiti, tell me what Buhari is arising the governor a fire for. Tell me. You think Buhari thinks he will remain the president forever? What if you lose 2019 election? What if Buhari lose 2019 election? We got to, we always tell you people, our religion is the truth. Truth is our religion. It is good to say the truth. What are they bothering, arising, terrorizing Ekiti people for? Must PDP win every state? I mean, must APC win every state in Nigeria? Must APC win? Is that winning state is part of APC achievement now? APC is supposed to focus on their campaign promise, what they promised Nigeria in 2014, not winning state. So winning state now is APC achievement. The Plateau is the governor of Plateau State is APC, or let's say Plateau is APC state. And what have they done to better the life of Plateau people? Benue APC state. What have they done to better the life of Benue people? Nasarawa APC state. What have they done there? Is it all these states Fulani S-men are terrorizing, killing people. What has they done? The most APC win every state? Must APC win every state in Nigeria? They send armor cars, soldiers, security agencies. They are all there in Ekiti for a state election. We have Fulani S-men, Miami people, butchering people, killing people. Buhari could not send armor cars, could not send soldier to Benue, to Nasarawa, to Plateau, but he can send soldier to Ekiti State because of election, because of ordinary election. Well, what I'm really here to talk about, because I have to just make it fast, because on Saturday we'll be inviting APC supporter or APC diehard will be coming, and we'll be inviting, I think, a PDP supporters too, and 3 brothers will be here. We'll be discussing the reason for restructuring, the reason of APC saying they have to, APC have to still remain in power in 2019. PDP saying no. So we are bringing APC guy, we are bringing PDP guy, and we are bringing a neutral person, a youth who believe in restructuring, who believe in youth taking over on Saturday. That's also the day people will be elected. The Ekiti people will be electing their new governor that will succeed Fayose. Now let's talk about the main topic of today. That's the youth that is saying they want to be president. I titled this program that all these youth that are saying they want to be president, they are just noise maker. They are just noise maker. They don't know what they are doing. They are just noise maker. They don't know what they are doing. And I have reason for it. Nigeria, the only solution now is division. That's the only solution now. But to patch Nigeria and see if it will work, at least to give Nigeria another, like a hope, to manage Nigeria for another 10 years, that is restructuring. But the real solution to Nigeria problem is division. At least let's go our own separate way. Germans did it before in the 80s. Every region go their own separate way, at least for 10-15 years, and see who will survive. This idea of using what you are getting from my state to develop another person's state, it's not fair. That is the reason why people like us, we have been saying division or restructuring. When we say division, some people will not understand. Even our people in the South, when they hear division, they will be some of them think we are talking about war. We are not talking about war. We are talking about me go my own way, you go your own way. Because most of us in the South, the North have brainwashed most of our brothers in the South. So when you tell them separation, they'll be thinking the northern soldiers will come and kill them. Our people in the South, they fear too much. That's the truth. We fear too much. That's how you remember when Dikanu were really preaching Biafra. Our brothers in the South, hey, Dikanu, you are instigating war. We fear too much. We fear not. We don't want to die. They will be saying, you are instigating war. The northern soldier will come and kill us because we are coward in the South. If we are not coward, we are the one feeding the North. They are the one telling us what to do and what not to do. We are coward in the South. We are coward. Let's tell ourselves the truth. We are coward. We think we are smart, but we are not smart. The Northerners, they are smarter. That's why sometimes we elect fools as governor. Can't you see some APC talks from Edo? They were in Ekiti. Doing what? What are they doing in Ekiti? All these youth are fools. We have useless youth in the South. We are coward. We prefer to even kill ourselves in the south than to fight our common enemy, the north. The north, not every north, everybody in the north. The north, the elite, the north leader, the northern leader, the elite, Buhari, this Buhari's group, these evil people. We prefer to kill and fight ourselves than to fight our common enemy. That's why I said we are coward in the south. We are not smart. We think we are smart, but we are not. I don't want to say we are useless. We are somehow useless in the south. So people like me, when I say division, they will like, you must die, you must. Look at what is going on in Ekiti State. It is Yoruba Muslim, Yoruba people. Look, go to social media, see how they are swearing for their own brother. Swearing for their brother. But they don't swear for Mighty Allah, who came out to tell the whole nation they are the people killing people in Nigeria. You won't see Yoruba man swearing for that one. No. They can swear for their Yoruba man, Yoruba Fayoshe. Even the time when Abiola won 1993 presidential election, we in the south, not Yoruba, we are the one who were fighting, we were rioting. No, Abiola must become president. Once the north give Yoruba Tashere, give them any little thing. Oh, Hausa is their friend. The Hausas, they are dominating not because of the Yorubas. Let's tell ourselves the truth. What I'm saying now is not because I hate my Yoruba people. Fela is from there. We have great Yorubas. Even the Fayoshe, my friend, he's a Yoruba man. It's not about tribe. I'm saying our problem is the Yorubas. They are the core. They are the reason why the Hausas ride on us. They are the reasons. If people doubt me now, I will play you the music of Ambassador Sayomore Joseph. Leave us alone. Go and listen to that track. He said it. He said our Yoruba people, you are the one selling us to these northern people. He said it on that track. Go and listen to that track before I finish this program, because I won't take. It's going to be a very short video. Go and listen. He said all these things. We are the Yorubas are the problem here. Hausas is not that smart. If you want to take care of them, it's so simple. But the Yorubas, and you know this religion, Muslim religion, that miss everything now. The Yorubas, especially the Muslim, they are blind. They are blind. They prefer to kill the Yoruba, their fellow Yoruba, for Hausa Muslim or Fulani Muslim. That's just the truth. I don't want to diverse. I don't want to go to other topic. The topic is that the youth that is crying now, making noise, they want to be president. They don't have any good print, any blueprint, I mean to say. They don't have anything. This is not about speaking. Look, there is something I want you people to know. It is not about speaking English or speaking sweet English. Come and speak like Oyibo for you to prove to people that you are educated. No. These people that is making noise now, they don't have anything in their brain. There is a saying in my town that the sense you are born with is different from the one you get from schooling, you get in the school. It's different. A goat and ram, they are different. They are not the same. The sense God gave to you is different from the one you read books and get. You know, it's different. These ones now, that is, those youth that is making noise now, the sense they have is one they got from book. They don't have the real reason, the real sense that is from God, the ones we are talking about. So to rule Nigeria don't supposed to be you must be a professor. Professor ruled us before, he fails. Now we have X-Men, Fulani X-Men as a president. He fails. So what we need now, it is brain. We have to use our brain. These people now, they don't have brain. But before I start, because I'm not here to attack anybody because I love or hate anybody, but I want you people to know that this group of people, this group of youth that want to be president now, they are as much as joker as their country that bred them. These youth now who want to be president, they are jokers. They are jokers, just like the Nigeria, their country. Nigeria is a joke. And these guys, they are jokers. They are jokers, and I will prove it to you people. They are noise maker. If they really truly want to be president, they should be first support the restructuring of this country, the restructuring of our constitution. You cannot put a new wine in a old wine skin. None of them talk about restructuring. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know what they are doing. I keep telling people, if this youth don't have sense to, if they don't know the Nigerian problem, I better vote for 100 years old man than to vote for a youth that is more stupid than these old people in government. Okay, yeah, I will prove it now. Now, let me play you something. Let me play you guys something from Sowore himself. This one is from Sowore himself. I will play you something from Sowore now, so that you guys will know what I'm talking about. You guys will know what I'm talking about. Listen to what Sowore said here. Listen to what Sowore said.
Experience before. We are going to be bringing in brand new hands, both locally and internationally, to take charge of this country. We are bringing in new sources of funding to take care of the projects that we need. A proper, holistic development of Nigeria in a way that we are starting as if nothing exists here. So we are building Nigeria brand new. It would be wrong to say we want to rebuild Nigeria, because quite honestly, there's nothing to build on in Nigeria. There are no roads. There are no roads to build on. Almost no railways to build on. Almost no hospitals to build on. No schools to build on. We just have a system that is getting by on its own without proper plan.
Now, what this man is saying, and I will play it again. You know, the truth is the truth. You might not like it the way we are saying it, but that is the truth. What this man is saying, that there is no road in Nigeria for them to build on. There is no hospital, because they said they want to build everything from scratch. So what is telling you, there is no road in Nigeria at all to build on. So there is no hospital to build on. There is no school in Nigeria at all to build on. That is a lie. That is a lie. That is the kind of language these idiots, these criminals, APC people, Buhati people, that's the kind of language they use to deceive people, tell you sweet thing. We are the one that is good. We are the best. We are the this. We are the saint. Nigeria is finished. Patak patak. Nigeria don't die. No road to build on. No hospital to build on. No school to, no infrastructure. But that is a lie. So when he comes, he will not tell you, just like APC is doing now. PDP spoiled everything. No, Nigeria was about to collapse before we come. So don't blame us. Whatever you are seeing now, bear it. Nigeria was about to collapse. That is a lie. That is APC slants. That is APC game. Can't you see, up till now, over almost 4 years in power, APC Buhari cannot get up and campaign without measuring PDP corrupt. But by now, Buhari don't even supposed to talk about. Buhari don't even supposed to talk about PDP corrupt. He's not supposed to even be talking about PDP corrupt. We know PDP corrupt. That is why Buhari was elected. Buhari is supposed to be telling Nigeria, now 2 years, this is what you will be, the masses will be enjoying. This is what we have done, and this is what you are going to be enjoying now till a year, now till 2 years. You can see, when the Shomoles talk, they still rubbish it. PDP this, PDP that, PDP this. Why can't you just talk without blaming opposition? Tell us good things. All this PDP bad, PDP will not put food on our table. Masses cannot enjoy PDP this, PDP that. But after 4 years, you're supposed to be giving us what you had achieved. PDP corrupt. PDP must die. We all know that before. That's why you were elected. The same style this criminal is the same style this criminal Oshowole is coming out with. There is no road to build on with. There is no this, as if Nigeria is just a bush. there is no road. We know that our roads are bad. Don't tell me there is nothing to build on. We know we don't have hospital, but don't tell me when Osomole said he spent 15 billion to build one useless building and call it hospital in Nigeria. You said nothing to build on. All this money, you are the one that brought Buhari to power. You brought Buhari. How can you, if you tell me nothing to build on in Nigeria, that is a lie. That is a lie. That's what I'm telling my people. We that is saying restructuring. We don't want people to come and be telling you sweet talk. No, don't believe in sweet talk. Don't let any you. They are talking like these old people. That's why this same Sowore we are pushing wheelbarrow, helping people doing what those old politicians are doing. Also, only behave like them. Also, when they don't take restructuring, look, there's no way anybody can achieve anything in Nigeria without restructuring that country, without restructuring our constitution. We have to give the power. Okay, look, today, the governor, for instance, I'm not trying to support Governor Fayose, but the truth, they said the governor is the chief security of his own state. But look at the way president is treating a governor. A governor is supposed to be the one defending his people. A governor don't have any power. It's not supposed to be like that. A governor don't have any power. They call it a federal government nonsense. All power belongs to president. No. We need dissolution of power. All the stupid youth supposed to be talking about that. Because these ones now, what they talk as, look, they will come. We are the one that will do it better. Vote for us. We will do this one better. Let me play a video for you again. For you to know that there is no change. There is no change. There is nothing like these guys will be better. It is the same old story Buhari gave to us. What I'm telling you people is that don't fall for these tricks again. A politician coming telling you he will do better. He will do this one better. We will do that one better. No. What we need now is restructuring. Without restructuring, you cannot fight corruption in Nigeria. All this Sowore that is talking nonsense now. If the Sowore should become president today, tell me how he's going to bring people from heaven to come and work with him. He's going to bring people from space to come and work. It is this same corrupt Nigerians that will still be in his own government. It's these same people. All these people will still bring in corrupt politicians to Senate. So for that, it is restructuring. The only way out here, it is restructuring. The only way out in Nigeria now to solve Nigerian problem, it is restructuring. It is not sweet talk. All this sweet talk, we are going to do this one. We are going to give you road. It is a shame for Nigeria to still be falling for this idea of we will give you road. Buhari don't do it better. I will do it better. PDP don't do it better. I will do it better. Story. So Nigerians will not like story. Every time story. We don't need story. What we need is restructuring now. Let everybody sit down. We want a Nigeria whereby nobody, no association can just go to national television and tell people they steal my cow, then I kill 200 people. No way. That is the kind of Nigeria we have to. When they say I saw one this Sarah reporter interview another youth, president aspirant who want to be president to a youth. If you see the way that man talk, I don't know that man before. Not that I 100% support him, but the Bible say from the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. So what that man said might not be true, but he said the right thing at the right time. He said there is no way. The person that was interviewing this youth, he said some people said. So it gets people confused. No, it's no. What? No. It is China's TV, chain of China's TV that it get people confused when you say restructuring. The man asked him, "What do you mean confused?" When you say restructuring, it get the Northerners confused. They must be sick when they say they don't know the meaning of restructuring. Restructuring gets you confused. But when you were preaching change, we don't. When you say change, what do you mean change? Nobody ask you when you were preaching change. Nobody asks you about change. Then you say, what is confusing about restructuring? That is the reason the man said, who will be confused will be confused. The truth is the truth. Did not understand what is restructuring. They just like Nigeria the way it is. Because they are not benefiting from it.
Experienced before.
Let me play you this video again.
We are going to be bringing in brand new hands, both locally and internationally, to take charge of this country. We are bringing in new sources of funding to take care of the projects that we need. A proper, holistic development of Nigeria in a way that we are starting as if nothing exists here. So we are building Nigeria brand new. It would be wrong to say we want to rebuild Nigeria, because quite honestly, there's nothing to build on in Nigeria. There are no roads. There are no roads to build on. Almost no railways to build on. Almost no hospitals to build on. No schools to build on. We just have a system that is getting by on its own without proper.
You see what I'm talking about? He's saying there is no road to build on. There is no hospital to build on. We are going to start afresh this. We are going to start afresh that. But the problem here is that this man that is making all this noise, all those you that is making, they don't even have political party. People are donating money for them, donating money left and right. They don't even, how can you tell me 6 months to go? This guy don't have political party. They don't have political party. And they're just making noise. Look, I'm telling you people, also what they know what he's doing. He's working for Buhari secretly. Because they know that the youth, really, we want the youth to take over. We want the youth to really take over, not take it back. To hell, we take it back. Taking what back? As if the power have been with the youth before. The power have never been with the youth before. So don't give me the word take it back. It is taking over. Let the youth take over. That is what we are talking about. Now, if these people, because some people say, where is my candidate? I don't have candidate yet. I don't have candidate yet. Let them unite. Youth have to unite together and bring a better person, somebody that have brain. We have to. There is no. If you don't restructure this country, that country, forget it. There is nothing anybody can do. All this youth that is making noise now. Look at the way also what is talking. The road are bad. There's nothing to build on. The hospital are bad. Then we have to start afresh. Those are sweet talks. Are you going to do it in a corrupt country like Nigeria? How are you going to do it? The way you are going to do it is to restructure. All this laziness, all those states who don't want to invest, who don't want to go into agriculture, they hope on Niger Delta oil. No. Every state take care of yourself. Then by the time there is we restructure Nigeria, let every state take care of themselves. Then you will not see all these youth, all these stupid governors who will just go to Asoro to be collecting allocation. They will be on deck. They will not be talking of what they can do to move their state forward, to build their own state. Not waiting for government to go and bring oil money. What if the oil dried up tomorrow? So all these things we are saying, this is not about we don't like. I support youth. Let the youth take over. With the way things are going now, if the youth don't unite, forget it. So what as a boy, so what cannot defeat Buhari. Let's tell ourselves the truth. So what cannot defeat Buhari. He will try, he can't. All these youth, they come out. All these other youth like Kingsley or Galo, they can't defeat Buhari. If they don't unite together, they can. They have to unite together. I know I support youth if they can unite together and bring a better person, not a blackmailer. For God's sake. So what is a blackmailer? He's a blackmailer, he's a criminal. He's working for Buhari secretly now to destroy. Can't you see? He have no political party. Some people tell me, some people come and tell me, I cause confusion. You don't say what? You don't like the youth. Then what are we going to do? We have to remove Buhari from power. No, I am not. This is not about confusion. I'm not trying to cause confusion. I am saying that this youth, also what is the one causing confusion? He want to remove Buhari 2006 months. We only have 6 months to remove Buhari from power. He have no political party. He's making noise. He's the one making noise. You are donating money from somebody that have no political party. So I'm not the one that is causing confusion. It is Sowore that is causing the confusion. Sowore is a criminal. He is the king of propaganda. He's a thief. He collected millions of money from APC to do their campaign and propaganda for them. Tell me why he is not fighting Buhari now. Why he is not fighting Buhari? He's not fighting Buhari. I saw him the other day. He was making noise. Government, Buhari. He didn't say Buhari. He said government releasing now the Kanu because you want the Southeast, those fools, those idiots from the Southeast who don't know anything to give you vote. If any Igbo man, the only Igbo man will give someone a vote, it is those the Igbo like Okorosha kind of Igbo. Those fools. Those are the ones. A real Igbo man, Biafra, he can't. That Igbo man must be crazy. Must be very stupid and foolish to vote for Sowore. For me, someone like me, I love the youth. I can support any other youth, not Sowore. It is too early for Sowore to be telling us he want to be president. Upon all the roles he play to make this a monster, this evil Buhari. He brought Buhari to power. How can after 3 years, he's telling us, come and giving you sweet. He's giving you sweet talk. I can play the whole video for you. It is sweet talks. I will do it better. Vote for me. We can do it better. We don't hear that for years. We don't want, I will do it better. What we want now, it is restructuring. Without restructuring, you can't fight corruption in Nigeria. The kind of restructuring that will stop nonsense. Because I saw some, like I said before, Benin talks, those APC stores, fools. Tell me what they are doing in Ekiti. What are they doing in Ekiti? It's not your state. Or you want to do what you did in 2016 to impose Obaseki on Benin people, in Ekiti people? What the fuck are you people? These Osomole boys, criminals, tout, Agberus. What are they doing in Ekiti state? Let's say the truth. This is not about supporting, because when we were fighting then, fighting PDP, they were saying we were fighting for APC. This is not about fighting for political party. It is for saying the truth. What are those criminals doing in Ekiti? So that is why we say we have to go for restructuring that will prevent nonsense like that. That will know the kind of restructuring. People can't do nonsense. You cannot do nonsense. You can't do things like that. That is the kind of restructuring we are talking about. And any reasonable youth supposed to take restructuring as its own first priority. Not somebody telling you this sweet talk. You would want to build roads in Nigeria. The roads are bad, nothing to build. If anybody tell me there is nothing roads, there is nothing to build on. Our roads are bad, nothing to build on. That is a lie. I know Nigeria is a zoo. Nigeria, they destroy Nigeria, but don't tell me there's nothing to build on. The kind of story Buhari gave us. PDP destroy everything. A country where PDP destroy everything. Few months after you take over, you were dashing out money to governors. You call it bailout. In a state, you said they destroy. In a state, you said they destroy. Whenever you are sick, you go to London. In a state, you said they destroy. We are looking for 26 billion barrel NFPC gate. Nobody knows who signed that money now. In a state, you said PDP destroy. You award the biggest allocation. The money, the budget, your budget is the biggest in the history of Nigeria. What are you talking about? Snakes stealing money, animals stealing money. And you say they destroy. No, all these kind of sweet talks, do vote for us. That's why I said this youth, they are noisemaker. They have nothing in their brain. Especially this Sowore, that criminal Sowore, have nothing in his brain. He have nothing to offer. Is it by making noise? Me, I can tell you, vote for me. Look, I will give you nylon tie, roads. Vote for me, a good hospital. Vote for me. I will lock this one up. I will fight corruption. Buhari will go to prison. Obaseki will go to prison. Is that what the kind of talk Nigeria wants now? Nigeria want to hear now? That kind of talk cannot save us. Fulani X-Men have killed over 2,000 to 3,000 people. None of them is in jail. None of them is in custody. That is Nigeria. We need a restructured Nigeria. We have to rewrite our constitution. The constitution we are using now, it is Fulani constitution. It is Sharia law constitution. We got to tear that constitution and burn it and rewrite our constitution. That is the restructuring we are talking about. The South unite. We have to restructure that country. At least when they say the governor is the chief security of a state, then he is the chief security of a state. Look at how president rubbishing, arising a governor, a sitting governor, a governor of a state, a governor which the people of a state look up to. Let's say the truth. This is not about PDP, because APC will not remain in government tomorrow. PDP might take over and they will still do the same, because the structure is already corrupted. The structure is bad. So we will talk about division or restructuring that country. We have to rewrite our law. We have to rewrite our constitution and say, okay, this is we have been going this way. This is how we will be going now. If any youth that is not talking about to restructure, to say, okay, this is how we have been doing things. Let's restructure this country, then go the other way and try this other way. If any youth is not talking about that, means that youth is corrupt. That youth is a criminal, supposed to be locked up. People like this, so what is supposed to be locked up? He's afraid of Buhari now. He's afraid of Buhari. He know how much know how much he collected from APC when he fought for them, when he campaigned for them. He don't want to talk now. You know APC can talk. He knows that when he begin to fire Buhari, when he begin to criticize Buhari, they'll begin to tell us his atrocity, the things he did in the secret. APC will start to tell us. Somebody is afraid of that. He's afraid of that. He knows that if he do that, whatever party is coming out with will not give him the presidential ticket. So somebody is afraid of that. We have to tell you people the truth. This is not about we don't like ourselves. We like ourselves, but we are telling ourselves the truth. I don't jealous him. Whatever people are donating for him now, that's to him. I'm not jealous because people donate money. No, that's not what I'm saying here. I'm content. I'm a big boy on my own. I might not be as rich as Dangote, but I'm a big boy. When you say big boy, somebody who can take care of his own family, he's a big boy. That is the kind of big boy, somebody I'm talking about, somebody that have rest of mind. That is what I call riches. Somebody that stands for the truth. Somebody who, when you are walking, you don't look your left and right. You are content. You are happy with your life. That is somebody that is rich. I am that kind of person. So I tell you the truth. I don't say because of I want something from there, I want something from here. No. That's not what I'm talking about. Maybe this Sowore is not even richer than me. So I'm not jealous of anybody, but the truth is what I stand for. If not, Sowore, I've never talked about Sowore upon all the atrocity he committed. How he polished Buhari, he repackaged Buhari and called Buhari a messiah. I never talked about him because he's working for the money. And everybody wants to make money, however you make your money, that's your own business. God will ask you. I don't give a shit. I started talking about Sowore when he said he wants to be president. So I cannot sit back and just fold my hand and watch a criminal like Sowore to be deceiving my people, especially my South people. Because the last time I make a video here and talk about Sowore, it is my own people that were swearing for me. They were swearing for me as if their swear will kill me. Idiot. What you are saying will kill, your swear will affect me in any way. No. You are just, look, I'm saying the truth. Because at the end of the day, we are all suffering it. Buhari promised us heaven and earth. Tell me what he's doing to you now. So don't let Sowore come with his gangs. Not only Sowore and all these, the Fela Duroto yourself. I don't trust them. Fela Duroto, Professor, who call himself Professor Kisiogalo. I don't trust any one of them like that. I don't trust them like that because none of them really preach restructuring. They just come, they are behaving like these old people. You know, I will be better, vote for me. No, don't let anybody deceive us again with, I will be better, vote for me. Let us not take that. No, what we want is somebody who can salvage, somebody who can clean our tears, somebody how we can rebuild Nigeria, restructure Nigeria, whereby no group of criminals, no group of terrorists like Fulani Esme can just go to a village and kill people and occupy the village and rename the village. They are renaming the village. As we speak, they still occupy many villages. I will post the video. Somebody eyewitness from that state. The guy was even swearing for the Governor Lalong of Plateau State. That is the one, is more loyal to Buhari than his people. He was the man from Plateau. He said so many things in that video. The video is with me. Somebody sent it to me. I will post it on my wall. When I finish, I'll post it there. The man said, they are still occupying their village. People are, he said, kills of 2 years. A year, they slaughter kids of 2-3 years. Tell me, is it a year-old kids that steal their cow? Because they claim somebody steal their cow. When they were stealing, you didn't report the case to police. You went and be killing people. Your brother is the president. Somebody steal your cow, but you did not report to the police. But you went for a killing spree. So, my people, the truth is the truth is only what can set us free. This is not about sweet talk. It's about restructuring a country whereby you can rubbish governors like this. And governor cannot rubbish his people. Some people are afraid. If they have a state police, the governors will use it against his opposition. They will make law against that too. We have to change. We have to check in the ghetto. We'll call it check body. The way things are going now is not the right way. Let anybody come Buhari said, for instance, they are fighting corruption. Arresting people is not how you fight corruption. This, I don't want to say they are arresting opposition. People will say, okay, you are defending opposition when you say they are arresting opposition. No. Arresting anybody because that man still, you arrest him. He breaks some, you arrest him, the court set him free. You maybe use some money to bail himself, arrest the other one the other day. That is not how you fight corruption. Corruption, if you want to fight corruption, restructure Nigeria. The root cause of corruption, why people corrupt. When a man have maybe 5 of your children, they are criminals, and you think arresting the children, I mean the criminals, will solve the problem? No. If you want to solve the problem, is why your children become a criminal. Why? The root cause of it. The reason why we are corrupt. The reason why police can be demonstrating in Borno State that they don't pay them salary. A police can demonstrate that government don't pay them salary. You expect that police not to be corrupt, not to take bribe? You expect police not to take bribe? Come on, let's tell ourselves the truth. You said police corrupt, police corrupt. Police are kind, they don't pay me salary. Okay, let me ask you people. Can Buhari tell me if the government is owing Buhari? Tell me if government is owing any governor. Tell me if the government is owing the IG of police. Tell me if government is owing our senator. Then why should you be owing the honorary police who their salary is not even up to 80,000 or 100,000? Let's tell ourselves the truth. Arresting people is not how you stop corruption. The how you stop corruption, it is from the head. Why must a police, if police should demonstrate that they don't pay them, and it is true, they're supposed to resign the IG, the commissioner of that state, the whatever, anybody in charge of it supposed not just to resign, they will go to jail. You have to start something. That's how you're going to start. With the way this night will not work. People will make call and say, oh, that guy is my brother. Release him. That one is my brother. No, we have to create a law. We have to reshuffle. When they say restructure, reshuffle, replan. Don't tell me they don't understand the restructure, but they understand change. They don't understand restructure. When Buhari were preaching the stupid change, did Buhari tell you the meaning of change? The same change. I don't want to go into religion. The same change that Prophet Muhammad preached to impose Islam on people. Change. Change. What did you mean when they say Islam? It's change. Stupid people, you guys don't know the meaning of change. The meaning why Buhari said change. Buhari is the one who brought that idea of change. Go and read the Quran. Quran, you know that Islam is about change. To change how the former religion, the religion that was people were practicing them, is to bring change, to impose change. Let me tell you, did you know the meaning of Sharia? Sharia, some people say Sharia is a Islamic law. No, Sharia is change. Is the word change. That's the body is cunningly bring it to Nigeria. Change. You don't know the change they are talking about. Can't you see? When we are saying that we Islam, you don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what we are talking about. I don't want to go into religion. If I to go into it, I will open up some secrets. So I don't want to go there. So my people, but we understand change. You understand change when they say change, but they don't understand restructuring. If we in the side, if we are not stupid, because let's tell ourselves the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If we are not stupid, let me ask you people something. We have been crying here. Some have been crying in the south. We need separation. Okay, separation will not be easy. Okay, what about restructuring? You said no. Separation, no. Restructuring, no. But our people want to give what your people want. What will make your people happy, Buhari, is for them to get land to graze their cow. And our people, they say they go give cow. When una go give us what we want for south, it means that we be slave. We dey elect fools as governors. And we still get somebody from south go see talk, say open his mouth and say yes, give them land. We have been crying, give me restructuring. They not said no. Then why would you give them land for grazing? Also give their land for grazing. When we begin to say the truth, they'll say no, don't preach it. We are the same one Nigeria. But if we are the same one Nigeria, why are you treating me like slave, like second-class citizen in a country that's supposed to be mine? People have been crying. South, I've had a meeting before and said we need restructuring. Southwest, the same thing. Even the Southeast, I know our brothers need separation. something need restructuring there. Which one did not have respect? Did not respect and say, okay, you guys have been saying it. Okay, let's come and sit down and do some restructuring. They said no, they don't want to. They're nothing like that. But every day they push you, give me land, give me land, and you are saying yes, yes, yes. And this idiot, you think somebody like me is coming out for president? I will not be talking like this. Also, what is to be talking like this? You know, I'm coming, but because if you talk like that, it won't get northern vote. I don't give a shit. Must you be president before you make name for yourself? Must you be president before you make mark? Yes, let me use that mark. Before you can make a mark. Then Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, Baba Fela, they were not president. People still talk about them today, Gani. So if I want to be president, I say something you don't like, you don't vote for me, that's it. I will tell you the truth. What the truth is not to fight you. It's not because I hate you, to tell you the truth. You need a land for grazing. These people need restructuring too. You don't talk about restructuring. You keep pushing them, give me land, give me land, give me land. Must I give you land? They said the 3 local governments in Borno State bigger than Edo State as a whole. Then why are you coming to Edo State telling the stupid governor there you want land? Must I give you more? Why must I give you land? So you know, in a country, before a country can survive, is you give and you receive. We do what you like, you do what I like. It's not every time you do what you like, what you like, what you like, what you like. What about what I like? What about what the South wants? And the South is the one feeding the whole nation. Well, the truth is it. The truth is the truth. Nobody can change it. Like I said, I won't take time. I just want to, because I don't want to emphasize on Governor Fayose. I sympathize with Governor Fayose. It's not because of I'm supporting him or maybe I'm supporting PDP, but you don't treat a governor like that. Some say he did the same before. I don't care. APC is for change. You don't treat a governor. Governor is the chief security. If they can strike the chief security like that, because I know. Must you do what PDP do? You say change. So you deceive the people with your change. You deceive people with your change. Oshomole that built 16 billion. 16 billion. Buhari is the one who launched. Buhari came to Edo State to launch it, to open the hospital. Up till now, the hospital is not functioning. 16 billion. And Oshomole will still have the mouth to be jumping like monkey on stage. On stage. You build Edo State money to build university, you call it your own. The water resources you build, you call it your own. So that's it. I think I'll be signing out now. Before I go, I just want my people to know that with the way things are going in Nigeria, it's better not to vote than to vote for a criminal. I'm telling you, it is better not to vote than to vote for a criminal. I'm telling you, that's it. For me, if the youth that is coming now, who want to be president, don't have any blueprint, they don't have anything in their head, we better give it to the Buhari. I'm telling you, it might sound crazy. Give it to Buhari. You have to get it right now. This idea of Buhari must go, but even though if it is the devil, that is what they told us in 2014, 2015. Jonathan must die, even though if it is the devil. Now you get the devil. Jumping from fry pan to fire again, no. Because this Sowore guy, you reason like this, you don't know who knows. This Sowore is working for Buhari secretly to scatter the youth so that the youth can unite. As this Sowore the other day, yesterday he said he will not join any force, because I believe this force that joined together, PDP, NPDP, Arrow APC, people break away from APC, and people break away, PDP that break away from APC, other political party, they are not coming together because they know that Buhari is the commander-in-chief. Buhari have the power, he have everything. It's not going to be easy to defeat Buhari. It's not going to be easy. Buhari, you know how he behaves. Buhari will do everything, anything to make sure he defeat Buhari. He win 2019. It's not going to be easy. The youth divided will not help us. So these guys, they are saying everybody have to join together. What is supposed to be telling them, look, if I join you together, but it's going to be for youth. All these old criminals like Obasanjo, if I can, we'll stay at the back. But also when they were still even condemning, criticizing this crime, we know they are criminals. The one in APC is also criminal, who is free in Nigeria. But you have to go there and tell these old people, now I still need you people, but it's going to be for youth. Because at the end of the day, we are all Nigerians now. It's going for youth, after youth restructuring. They say, wait, come out, tell us things like that. Then we will understand. You are still condemning them, they are corrupt, they are this, they are that. We know already they are corrupt. But we have the devil in Aso Rock. Buhari is the devil that must go. You can fight Buhari alone. The PDP you are still talking about, they are powerful. PDP is still powerful. PDP is still powerful. It's not something you can just, you can't. So what alone cannot win Buhari. Even though if all the youth now join together, you can still win Buhari. You need coalition. There's a way we can get, it's going to be youth. But there's a way we can, because all these PDP still have youth that support them. Those youth that support PDP, if you don't know. All these ones that was demonstrating yesterday for Fayose in Ekiti, they are PDP followers. They were youth. You think those ones will not follow you? So what we need now is how to remove Buhari, but we're going to be for youth and restructuring. But the way you are doing it, try to still criticize, but you don't criticize Buhari, who is killing people now. By now, you're supposed to be talking that what Buhari is doing is wrong. You are keeping quiet. You are doing it your own style. Who knows if you are not working for Buhari? So the truth is what I stand for. The truth is what you said you want to come and do something good for Nigeria that is already corrupt. You are going to bring somebody from heaven to come and help you do the good. Who knows whether you are not telling lie? Are you not a criminal? Who knows whether Stephen Otubo, that girl, will be your first lady? You want to be president? Maybe that one is going. You are going to choose that girl as your first lady to blackmail everybody because you are the king of blackmailer. You become president, use your salary. Anybody that condemn, you want to be president, and you have salary reporter for propaganda. Then who will talk again? You do you steal money. You use salary reporter to cover yourself. Thank you very much, my people. May God bless you all, and pray for Ekiti people. On Saturday is the governorship election there. I love you all, and God bless.